Hi, everyone. My name is Brianna Wham, and I will be representing the Penn State pilot project today. We set out to strengthen our campus wide coordination for research data management and to also explore the potential of machine actionable data management and sharing plans to improve research support services. More specifically, our goal was to investigate how leveraging the information from within these plans could enhance both service efficiency, reduce researcher burden, foster collaboration among both our research support units and researchers themselves, and proactively address evolving research needs. We focus specifically on two key areas: social interoperability and process improvement through alerts and resource allocation. Today, specifically, I'm going to be focusing on the social interoperability in our cross campus engagement. Next slide. We organized a 2-day workshop to bring together key stakeholders involved in research data management and sharing. Our objectives were to raise awareness about what are machine actionable data management and sharing plans across campus and to explore their potential to improve communication, streamline data workflows, and support scalable infrastructure. The workshop engaged research administrators, research support staff, IT professionals, and researchers from across the university. We had representatives from all of our major research offices and research institutes. The first day began with level setting activities to map out the research project lifecycle and to clarify how each stakeholder's work fits into this process. We then examined what information a traditional data management plan contains before diving into an introduction about machine actionable data management and sharing plans that included real-world case examples to spark ideas and discussion. Next slide. On day 2, we explored the benefits and challenges of implementing machine actionable data management and sharing plans from the institutional perspective. This included a closer look at Penn State's current research data management environment and a discussion on what information from machine actionable data management and sharing plans would be most valuable to each stakeholder and at what time it would be most valuable throughout the life cycle. Next slide. One of the key activities to show an example of this asked our participants to identify their role in the research project and the research data life cycles and outline the challenges and opportunities that they face at each of those phases. Through this and other exercises that we did throughout the 2 days, we uncovered that many institutional units shared a vested interest in machine actionable data management and sharing plans, but they approached the information differently based on their specific responsibilities and how they interacted with researchers. So, for example, one participant described data management and sharing plans as a list of promises researchers make to funders about how their data will be preserved, shared, documented, and secured. Understanding these commitments at the time that they're made and tracking how they could change throughout a grant emerged as a critical need for units that are managing data storage, security, human subjects protections, sponsored programs, and compliance. And so mapping these distinct perspectives, identifying what information each unit needs, when they need it, and how they collaborate with other units and with researchers is essential for us to successfully integrate machine actionable data management and sharing plans into our institutional workflows. Next slide. The workshop surfaced several institution-wide challenges related to research data management, while also fostering process sharing, breaking down silos between our units, and building cross-campus connections. It helped strengthen relationships among stakeholders and improve institutional awareness of machine actionable data management and sharing plans, which we're hoping will then more easily set the stage for future coordination and integration efforts. Some key takeaways we had from our participant feedback that we sourced after this workshop was that attendees stressed the importance of ongoing cross-unit conversations in order to sustain the engagement and momentum around information sharing related to research data management. We also had participants highlight the value of ensuring all stakeholders have relevant information at proposal submission and award stages to streamline workflows. Something that my fellow presenters have talked about here is having information at the right time. And from that, there was a proposal for a research data management advisory committee that would support this type of coordination. We also had a clear need for IT support to integrate machine actionable data management and sharing plans with our existing research administration systems. And lastly, the workshop underscored the need for a university-wide strategy to support long-term stewardship and adoption of machine actionable data management and sharing plans. Furthermore, we did surface practical recommendations from this workshop for others that are looking to pursue similar work. One of these is that it's important and valuable to start with stakeholder engagement. So, involving key units early to discuss roles, challenges, and expectations around machine actionable data management and sharing plans is vital for implementing systems and processes that actually will impact the workflows in a positive way. We also wanted to prioritize collaboration before technology, so a foundation of shared understanding and collaboration makes the technical implementation more effective. And lastly, there's a need to clarify data needs and workflows, so identifying what information each unit values and how it moves through their processes to shape a useful machine actionable data management and sharing plan strategy. Next slide. And so lastly, what are we going to be doing next here at Penn State? We are going to be continuing to strengthen cross unit collaboration and communication, making sure that we are keeping the momentum we had from this workshop, having everybody together in one place and actually talking about our workflows. We're also looking to map the data management and sharing plan content to our research support services and to determine where they line up and where we have gaps. And lastly, we're also exploring how we can use the information in machine actionable data management and sharing plans to enhance service engagement, compliance monitoring, and resource allocation. And I will say this is a place that we are kind of moving forward quite quickly with some of the compliance monitoring aspects is how do we actually take the information within those DMPs, create that, as the participant described, kind of list of promises. So it's also more easy for us to track what was promised and also for a researcher to know what they put in there and update as necessary. And hoping that that will also help with resource allocation and notifications.